In this video, we will learn how to change new phone number, email address or both email address and phone number in Intuit TurboTax account. Copy and paste this account recovery request link which I have updated in my description box. Let's get you back into your account. These are the 3 steps we need to follow. Tell us what you are updating. Use your mobile phone to take a picture of your government issued ID. We will match the data to your personal information. In this field, you need to select what do you want to update, your email address, phone number or email and phone number. I want to update new email address in my Intuit account. Update your current user ID and current email address. Enter your new email address and confirm your new email address. You need to scan this QR code from your mobile to start your verification. You need to take photos of the front and back of your government issued ID and your selfie. Before you proceed further, they need your approval. Let's select I consent. Click continue. You can upload either driver license, ID card or passport. Let's take photo. Please make sure you follow these instructions while uploading your ID proof. Get your entire ID in the photo. Make sure there is no glare on your ID. Place your ID on a dark surface. Don't hold it in your hand. Use only an original physical ID. Choose your country. I am uploading my provincial ID. Once your ID is processed, it will ask you to take a selfie. After your ID and selfie are processed, you need to update all these information. Make sure your address in the ID proof and the address in the account should match. You're all done. You should get this message. Your Intuit account was successfully recovered and you can sign in. Update your new password. You can access your Intuit account.